So if you did want to sign up to our premium package at RiskFusion, all you got to do is come on over to the website. You can literally just click on the Start Now button down here. This will take you to our payment options. Now we have both a monthly package and also a yearly package. Obviously the yearly package, you do get quite a big discount of 25%. I personally would advise choosing the yearly package just purely for the fact that this is a journaling and risk management tool, and the best way you're going to get the most value out of this tool is by committing to it to a longer period of time and allowing the actual risk models to play out on your account. So if you were interested in that package, it is there for you at quite a nice discount. If not, you can just simply come on over and test it out for a month or so, see how you get on, and then you can go from there. But of course, with our package, you do get a 7-day free trial anyway. So regardless of what you want to choose, you can literally come on in, sign up, and you can try it for 7 days, see how you get on with it. So if you did want to get involved, all you have to do is simply click on the button and then just input your email address. Once you've done this, just simply click the button and it will just check your status of the email, and then it will go through to the checkout page. Now you can see here that you're going to get your 7 days free, and then it tells you how much you'll be paying after that point, and then it's simply added in your email. You can choose marketing, etc., and you have all the payment information. Once you've filled that in, you can start your free trial, and you will not be charged for the first 7 days. You can test it out, see how you get on, and of course if you want to cancel at any point, you can simply head on into your manage subscription settings inside of the app, and you can cancel your free trial in there. And that is how you can sign up to RiskFusion.